So St. Louis University is a mid-sized urban Catholic Jesuit institution in St. Louis, Missouri. We were founded in 1818. We are currently at our third location within the St. Louis area. Before IDX, we had issues with older, outdated servers and connectivity. The speed of our service partners in dining and the bookstore was a problem for us, and we were looking for a solution that would be faster and more efficient. The opportunity to upgrade to a newer system wasn't really something that our IT was comfortable with, but we knew that we needed a solution for our commerce, and IDX would be the answer for us. So our IDX program works with our dining provider. It also works for our printing provider. It also allows for our students to use their university card at our bookstore for any learning materials or items that they would like to purchase. We also use IDX for photo submission, to send their photo and then have their photo ready to go for the production of their actual card. Once you are logged in as an administrator, the ease of navigating from configuring to reporting to just allowing for you to see data is very convenient and very efficient. With IDX, you see a complete removal of any downtime or scheduled service needs before the upgrade happens, and it happens instantaneous, and there is no lack of service or any downtime for our university community. IDX has assisted with better meal plan utilization. It shows us when students are using their cards by the various periods that assists with future planning of meal plan optimization going forward. So we have been live with IDX for 10 months, and the students are thoroughly enjoyed with our new software solution. I would highly recommend IDX for other schools as a way to solve connectivity issues and speed of efficiency for your campus.